Hi, I'm Susan Pruden with Century 21 New Millennium, and I want to tell you about 5600 Hawthorne Street in Cheverly, Maryland. At less than $575,000, it has more than 3,500 square feet of finished living space on 4 levels. We've all had the experience of having our dining room table do double duty as a home office, a homework zone, or even a craft table. And there's nothing more frustrating than getting everything laid out just the way you want it, and then you have to put it all away because it's time to eat dinner. That's just not going to happen in this house. Not only do you have 4 separate spaces for gathering on the main level alone, there's a living room, a formal dining room, a family room with a fireplace and door to the deck and yard, but you have a very spacious breakfast room with enough space to hold a small desk, maybe two, and a breakfast table. You may think, well, that's all and good, but I still need space for a home office. Matter of fact, we need 2 home offices. This house has you covered. I mentioned that there are 4 finished levels to this house, right? There's a finished and carpeted 3rd floor that has 2 separate areas that could easily be 1 or 2 home offices, a 4th bedroom with maybe space for a 5th bedroom, or it could be a great craft room. I hear you, you need more separation than that. The basement is fully finished with a separate entrance and a full bath, so there's plenty of room down there for a home office and a rec room, or it could be easily converted to an au pair or in-law suite, or you could even rent out the whole basement for a little extra income. But there's a lot to this house that you just can't see right off the bat. The kitchen was updated between 2015 and 2017. There is a whole house generator as well as a recently installed high efficiency HVAC system with a gas furnace and gas water heater. The windows and doors are Thompson Creek. If you're not familiar with them, they are a top-of-the-line local company with excellent warranties. A new roof was put on in 2017 with architectural-style shingles that have a 50-year warranty. There are 2 laundry rooms, one on the bedroom level and the other in the basement. And one other thing that I really need to note, there is not a small room anywhere in this house. They are all good-sized. If you're looking for a large, fully updated home with all of the major big ticket items already taken care of, be sure to reach out to me or share this video with others who may be looking for an amazing home just like this one. If you'd like to see more photos or floor plans or anything else, go to www.thecheverlygoodlife.com and check it out.